Today, we are doing a deep dive into a piece of tech that really underpins so much of today's professional video communication. It's the Datavideo TP-900 presentation prompter kit.
hmm
And our mission here is to unpack how this device, which is built specifically for PTZ or pan-tilt zoom cameras, really solves a lot of modern production headaches.
It does. And what's really fascinating to me is how it represents um, kind of a philosophical shift
A shift in what way?
in control. Traditionally, the person on camera might be fumbling with a mouse or a remote. This whole system is designed to move that control completely off camera into the hands of a production team over a network.
Okay, so let's unpack that. Let's start with the hardware itself. What are we physically looking at?
Well, the core of it is a pretty robust frame holding a 15-inch 4.3 monitor.
And it's what they call a high-bright screen, right? Something
Yeah.
like 350 CDM2.
Exactly. And that spec is key. It means you can actually use this thing in bright daylight outdoors and still read the script perfectly.
And that's paired with a specific type of glass, the beam splitter.
Right, a 70-30 trapezoidal beam splitter.
So, break that down. Why 70-30?
It's really the optical sweet spot. 70% of the light from the scene goes through the glass to the camera lens, so you get a clear shot. And the other 30% reflects the script from the screen back to the presenter. It's the perfect compromise.
And for those outdoor shoots or corporate events, how do you power it? You're not always near a wall plug.
No, and they thought of that. It comes with a DTAP cable, which is standard for professional camera gear.
So you can run it off any big camera battery pack.
Yep, makes it completely portable for field use.
Okay, so the hardware is solid, but you said the real shift is in the control, and that sounds like software.
It is.
Yeah.
And this is a real kicker. The software, DV Prompter Plus, is built directly into the monitor.
So no need to hook up a laptop to run the prompter software.
None. And that eliminates the single biggest point of failure in any teleprompter setup,
Yeah.
the external computer and its flaky connections.
That's a huge deal for reliability. So how does a remote operator control it?
Just with a web browser, any device on the same local network can pull up the control interface. You can load scripts, control the scroll speed, everything.
And it's not just scrolling text, is it? I saw it has a powerful, rich text editor.
Oh, yeah. The team in the control room can change font sizes, colors, even embed images, or create playlists on the fly.
What about, say, a corporate presentation? Can it handle slides?
It can. It supports importing and mirroring PowerPoint and Keynote slides in real time.
And for live news, what if something breaks mid-broadcast?
That's where the real-time editing function is just crucial. The production team can literally interrupt the live script with an urgent update through that web interface instantly.
Yeah. Okay, so if we connect that to the bigger picture,
Sure.
where do you see this being used most effectively?
Well, there are two main functions. First, for standard video conferencing, it completely solves the wandering eyes problem.
Because you're looking at the person on the screen, which is right over the camera lens.
Exactly. It looks perfectly natural, like you're maintaining direct eye contact.
Okay, that's a big win. What's the second function?
It's what they call the P2P, or peer-to-peer interview configuration.
Mhm.
This is genuinely clever.
How does that work?
You use two kits, one for the interviewer, one for the guest. Both people are looking directly into their own camera lens, but what they see on the prompter screen is the video feed of the other person.
So it feels like a face-to-face conversation. You're getting genuine eye contact.
It's as close as you can get remotely. It just transforms the dynamic of a remote interview.
And if you have, say, 3 or 4 of these on a set, how do you keep them all in sync?
You have two options. You can daisy chain them with HDMI cables for, near zero latency, or you can sync them over the network using IP synchronization. Plus, there are optional hardware controllers, like a handheld remote or even a foot pedal.
So at the end of the day, what does this all mean? We have a kit here for, what, around $1,700?
I believe it's a $7,765, yeah.
It seems like this isn't just a teleprompter. It's a full production ecosystem designed to make professional network-controlled presentations flawless, especially with PTZ cameras.
It really is. And it raises an interesting question for you, the listener, to think about.
Go on.
The next time you see a CEO or a broadcast journalist just absolutely nail a remote presentation with perfect delivery and confidence, ask yourself, is that person a phenomenal public speaker with a perfect memory? Or is there a skilled operator, maybe sitting miles away, controlling every single word they say for a seamless, absolutely perfect delivery?